Hi, I'm Dean Gallea. I'm a homeowner in Tarrytown, New York. A year ago, I said, you know what makes sense these days is to switch away from gas. And I looked at the options and I knew that an electric water heater can be pretty expensive to run, but there's a new technology that's a fairly new technology, but it's been around for a while, called a heat pump that increases the efficiency of your use of electricity by a factor of 3 or 4. So it actually becomes more energy efficient than using a cheaper source like natural gas. So I ordered a heat pump water heater, had it delivered, had it connected, and here it is. For one thing, it's tied into the Wi-Fi in my house, so I can actually access it through an app on my phone. You can see that matches the temperature setting that's on there. I can run this up and down. If I'm remote, I can drop it, and you can see the minute I do that, it changes right on the water heater, so it's all connected. What happens with a heat pump water heater is there's a refrigeration unit in here that actually runs in reverse. Instead of cooling the water, it heats it. And the way it does that is by taking the air from the basement, running it through an evaporative process, extracting the heat from the air in the basement, increasing the temperature of the water, and putting cold air out into the basement, which is the cold that used to be in the water. Right now, it just clicked on. It's pretty quiet, you can't hear it very much, but there's cold air coming out here right now because the heat from the air in the basement is being put into the water and the cold is being removed. And so it pumps the cold air out of pumps the cold out of the water. That's why it's a heat pump. It's a cold pump too. The heat pump water heater ran me a little over $1,000. I got it on sale at a local home center, had it delivered, and then I had the plumber hook it up, and the electrician bring in the electric line, which never was here before because I had a gas water heater, which didn't use electricity. So between the electric and the plumbing, it was a simple task, and I love it. Every little bit that we can do to remove our dependence on carbon-based fuels is a step in the right direction.